Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us first understand the key concept here. The starting material pH, CH is equal to NO2H is a nitroso compound in its tautomeric, ACI, form, which can be written as phenylmethylene nitronic acid or more precisely as the ACI form of phenylnithromethane. This is the nitronic acid tautomer, ACI nitro form, of pH CH2 NO2 phenylnithromethane. The ACI nitro form pH CH is equal to NO2H and the nitro form pH CH2 NO2 are tautomers of each other. Moving on to the next step. Identify the starting material. pH CH is equal to NO2H is the ACI nitro, nitronic acid, tautomer of phenylnithromethane. It has the structure where carbon is double bonded to nitrogen with an O on nitrogen. Moving on to the next step. Tautomerism between the ACI nitro form and the nitro form. The ACI nitro form, pH, CH is equal to NO2H, isomerizes to the more stable nitro form, pH, CH2 NO2. This is a well-known tautomeric equilibrium, the nitro-ACI nitro tautomerism. Under the given conditions, slow, 3 days, 50% mixture, the system reaches equilibrium between the ACI form and the true nitro form. And for the final step, the isomer, kiss smiley formed is pH CH2 NO2 phenylnithromethane, which is the nitro tautomer. This corresponds to option B. Option A, pH, no CH2O. This would require breaking of the C-N bond and formation of a new O-C bond, a structural isomer, not a tautomer, and not formed under these mild conditions. Option C, pH, NH, CO2H. This is a carbomatite structure requiring complete rearrangement, not consistent with simple tautomerism. Option D, none, incorrect because option B is valid. Therefore, the correct answer is B. Therefore, the correct answer is option B.